Revlon Eyeshadow is $8.79. When you buy 2, you get a $5 register reward. I actually have multiple coupons. I have a $3.50 off one, a $2 off one, and a $3 off one. So you guys want to buy 2 of them, you use the $3.50 and the $3 off coupon. You would pay $11.08, but then you get that $5 register reward. Comes out to be $6.08 or just $3.04 a piece. Your Valley bars are on sale for $1.88. We do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You would end up paying $2.76, which basically comes out to be $1.38 a piece, and you can submit your receipt to the Box Tops website. Kellogg cereal is on sale for $1.99. We do have a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. Sorry, I'm talking louder than the radio. But you guys will get these for $1.49. The ones that are included for Ibotta are none of the ones that are on sale for the $1.99. Kit Kat bars are on sale for $1.99. This is the deal of the week. There are 3 spots. Usually these are in right up in the front of the store, in the candy aisle, plus in the Halloween aisle. Plus I have another spot that's on an end cap. But we do have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would get 2 bags for $2.98, just $1.49 a piece. Tide laundry is on sale for $4.99. We do have a $2 off digital coupon that you guys can use. Comes out to be just $2.99. The Downy, the smaller bottles of the Downy are on sale for $2.99, along with the Simply. We do have a $1 off digital coupon that you guys can get this for just $1.99. Glade Candles on sale, or they're $4.99. They are currently buy one get one 50% off. We do have a $3.75 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You would end up taking, it'd be $7.48 before the coupon. You want to take $3.75 off. Sorry, it's hard to do this with one hand. Comes out to be just $3.73 or $1.86 a piece if you guys like these candles. Over sugar-free candy is on sale for 2 for $5. We do have a $1 off a 2 digital coupon. You guys will get these for $4 or just $2 a piece.